It looks amazing. I've been sat here like a lemon. Oh my god. Let's bring back a fan favourite game, shall we?
Spot the koala.
Spot the koala, let's go. We really messed up.
Yeah.
We had a ripper of a night. That boat trip was awesome.
We got to see them really close. Good morning.
Good morning.
It's a lovely sunny day here in the Gold Coast.
We cheated a little bit last night. We did stay in a hotel and I still have no energy. But what an amazing place to be ill. It looks amazing. The water's so blue. We are on Burleigh Beach and it is beautiful. It's really calm, it's a beautiful day, and the skyline that you can see off in the distance is just absolutely incredible. We are having such a good day today. The sun is shining, it's beautiful. It's like 23 degrees.
And we're having fish and chips by the sea. Oh, we did get nice photos.
What we did. I've been sat here like a lemon. Oh my god. I've been sat here like a lemon. Oh,
I was wondering why you're eating it like that.
oh, are you eating it like that?
I just got chips and calamari.
It's too late now.
I was wondering, like, why are you breaking it up like that?
Just a little update for you guys. So we have come to the
Burleigh Ridge Park.
and we have come because
Koalas have been seen here.
which means there are no koalas here.
Gonna have a short walk.
Yeah, we're gonna have a quick walk, and our plans have changed slightly for the next couple of days. We will update you later. Seeing as we are back waiting and looking to see some koalas out here in the wild, let's bring back a fan favourite game, shall we?
Spot the koala.
Spot the koala, let's go.
I've seen one, but it's very high in the trees.
It definitely looks a little bit like Miami around here. It's very busy. Quite a lot of free parking though, actually, which has surprised me. And there's so much water everywhere. And high skyscraper buildings off in the distance. It looks alright. We really messed up.
Yeah, it's half term in the Gold Coast at the moment.
We had no idea, and it wasn't until we went to look at a campsite which, by the way, there are no free campsites here. It's caravan parks and that's it.
And they were all fully booked for the whole weekend.
Every single one. Which meant, luckily for me, we had to book into a hotel and we're staying at a motel, actually.
For 2 nights.
It was 114
A night.
a night.
But that does mean that some of the things we wanted to do, we're not going to do.
There's stuff that we wanted to do, but we've done it before in other places. We've done theme parks in Florida. We've been to water parks everywhere.
So we're not doing the big touristy things, basically. But tomorrow we've got an exciting day. That is a bit touristy, but...
Yeah. So this is why sort of we've decided to stay, is because tomorrow
we're going on a whale watching tour.
we're going to get to see some whales. Fingers
Hopefully
crossed.
up cruise.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
I don't know. And yeah, tonight we are also going to make the most of not having the car and the tent, and we're going to go out.
Going to
Infinity Attraction.
an illusion park thing.
It looks really, really cool, and we'll see you there. Woo. Here's a little bit more of an insight into our lives. We're just chilling in the hotel room, about to go. And Jordan's got some big news for you.
I love a bargain, and I picked this up at reception, and it's got a discount code in it. So I've used that to get 10% off. Love it. I do love a discount.
We are back at the hotel now. We had a ripper of a night.
It was a really cool experience, actually.
Yeah, I would recommend it. It is pretty funky.
We couldn't really film anything. You're not allowed any cameras or anything in there. But it's very scary at times, but really fun. I don't know.
And quite disorientating. So
Yeah.
it is really, really fun. I would recommend it. We paid...
It's $30 a ticket, but we got 10% off.
Yeah.
Quick maths, I don't know.
Whatever that is, it's quite late. We had a nice walk along the beach as well. And it's really nice to just explore a city at night. So we are going to go to bed.
And we're excited for tomorrow.
Oh, I can't wait. Bring it on. Good morning. We are just about to go on to the whale tour. Let's go. that boat trip was awesome.
We got to see them really close. That was amazing. Still can't really get how big they are though.
No.
We couldn't properly see them, but we could see the fins and them going in and out and plumes.
Yeah, didn't see a whale breach really close.
No.
So we're still on the lookout for that.
But it was cool to see them up close. We're gonna do a koala trail now. We're in the Coombabah
Lakelands.
I think. So hopefully we see some today.
So it's only a short 2.6 kilometre walk and we've done it, so we're going to head back to the car. We've only managed to see one koala, so not great. We are going to go get some lunch. Actually, we're going to cook some lunch, and we've got burgers and they're kangaroo burgers. So we're excited to try this. We're going to go to a barbecue and we're going to cook them up.
We did just see another one, but they're so high up. Oh, so we've seen two, but not properly. All of the barbecues are either in use or they were really, really gross and looked really hard to clean. We're going to go to the hotel now and we'll just get some work done and have some lunch there instead.